Okay, so I realized that the video I made a while ago was cut. So, ito na yung mga ginupit ko na plastic. Now they are hollow, diba? Yan. So, to make them into yarn, you simply just get another hollow one. Put it in this way. Yan, shoot mo siya. And then, simply loop it. There you go. They're connected. One more time. So you just open the plastic. Get another one. Loop it inside. And just pull it. Yan. So, tuloy-tuloy lang yan. Duktong ng duktong. Until you get enough plastic yarn that you need. Ayan. Ayan. So, mahaba na to. You might be wondering where this is going. Ayan. So, I'm gonna share with you this is my project now. I've been working on this. And it's just like regular crochet. So, yung mga mahilig mag-crochet dyan, yeah, this is what I do. Yan. So, mukha siyang totoong crochet, diba? Totoo naman siyang crochet. But, I've been using plastic yarn. So, kung napapansin nyo, ito na yung duktong-duktong na plastic kanina. Tapos, ganun lang din kung paano kayo mag-ganchilyo. Yan. Kung paano kayo mag-crochet. Yan. Ganun din. Ay. It takes getting used to, pero pag medyo matagal na siyang ginagawa, hindi mo mapapansin na plastic pa pala yung ginagamit mo. So, it's just like regular yarn. Yan. Yan. So, tuloy-tuloy lang. Just keep crocheting until you run out of yarn. And then, pag naubos siya hanggang dulo, yan, duktungan mo na lang uli, di ba? Yan. Again, ulitin natin yung pagduktong. Okay, ito yung dulo ng yarn ko. Yan. And this is another piece of yarn. Ito yung bago. So, you just put it into the hole. There. And then, loop it. And connect it. There you go. So, kung marami kayong plastic sa bahay, only yarn, only chances of creating crochet projects for you. O, diba? So, I really like this project kasi mahilig ako mag-ganchilyo. Kaya lang minsan, maubusan ka ng string, pupunta ka pa sa store, bibili ka ng string. When I found this out about this project, natuwa ako kasi ang dami naming plastic na nakatabi. And I've been finding ways to recycle plastic. Ayan. So, our plastic bags never go to the trash bin. They either get recycled into this, or they go to an eco brick. Ayan. Ayan. So, there you go, guys. Yung mga, ang medyo nakailang lang dito pag napunta ka doon sa buhol. But it's plastic, so you can gently tug it and stretch the plastic. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so you might be wondering, why am I sharing this? Aside from the reason that there were friends who were interested in learning this, I would like to encourage everyone to please recycle your plastics. Kasi, kung napanood nyo yung balita na, ano ba yung DCRH ba yun? May nag-post ng video ng kalagayan ng Manila Bay kahapon ng umaga, pagkatapos ng bagyo. Kung mapapansin nyo, puro plastic talaga. Diba? So, kanino nang galing yung plastic na yon? Sa atin. So, kung marami tayo na, alam mo yun, gumagawa ng paraan para yung plastic na binibili natin, hindi napupunta sa basura. Mababawasan yun eh. I believe that going live, Facebook, and other means of sharing information would help people realize that it is a problem that we need to work on now. Kung gusto nating merong pang dagat na lalangoyan yung mga anak natin, it's not just a song, diba? Na wala ka bang napapansin sa iyong mga kapaligiran. Yeah, it's actually happening. It's been happening a long time. And ayoko naman na ang ipapamana natin sa mga anak natin ay plastic. Isang dagat na puro plastic. Diba? So, not being dramatic or anything, but it's the truth that we have to face. And it's something that we have to do something about. Yeah, I lost count. Yeah, okay, so this cycle is done. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. If you want more information on how to make this, I am planning to hold livelihood workshops at my studio here in Bacoor, Cavite. SB Studios will be holding creative recycling workshops. Yan, that you can earn from. Yan, and hopefully my talk about recycling on July 29 at the Molino 2 Barangay Hall would be the start of greater things. And so if you are interested in recycling or learning how to make things using recycled materials, send me a personal message and maybe we can put something together. So, bye guys. So this is my crochet using plastic bags. Bye!